Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to show you one of my favorite dolls in my collection, and that is this purple-haired Little Big Eye doll by Streetwise. These dolls came out in 2001, and there were two series. I have the first series. They came out in four hair colors. Aren't they the cutest? They came out after Blythe got popular again, after Gina Duran started taking photos and everybody was buying Blythes. I bought this girl out of the box because I wanted to make clothes for her and change her. When she came, she is in such excellent shape. I just did not want to, see they have the little clicking legs too. I did not want to change her. Pleather is a very tricky fabric, if you will, or plastic. You start putting that off and on and it cracks and falls away, etc. So I left her as was. She has a push button on the back of her head, and she changes eye color and directions like a Blythe doll with an easier click than a Takara for sure, or a Good Smile. Isn't that funny? Really, really cute dolls. You know me, I always put them on the green eyes. So I still wanted one to sew for, and I haven't done anything with these dolls in, well, years, right, babe? I just have her standing by my computer because she makes me happy. I see her every morning. She's just a cute doll. She makes me smile. So I bought another doll. Guess what I got? I thought, well, I found a pink-haired, and I was going to put a bid on her, but she was a mess, and they wanted some more, and they were calling her a Kinder Blythe. Can you believe that? Oh, look at this. She comes with a stand. Who knew? This little cutie had a price and make offer. You know me, I made an offer, and I won the, what do we call it, offer? And I bought her to so far. Look at her little shoe. Oh, they have their shoes after all these years. You know, these dolls are 23 years old now. We forget how many years have gone by since the 2000s. Her head's a little, their heads are kind of loose, but hers is more loose than my other girl, and I don't care. I never noticed before, but even that's dyed, the ring at the top like the Blythe doll. Let's check her eyes. Oh yeah, they just click right away. Isn't that funny? I love that. Just the cutest little dolls. They are a little bit tall. This is really a cute dress that somebody put on her. Really cute, and I can't, this looks like they bought it. I don't know. Looks like they bought it. It has, how is it on there? Well, I'm going to have to investigate this. Oh, here we go. Hook and eye. There we go. They are just a little bit taller than a Blythe doll, and they are a little thinner than a Blythe doll. Honestly, this is the first one I have seen without clothes on. I'm going to take a look. Look at their look at their stomach muscles.
A little sculpted stomach.
Yeah, a little sculpted. There you go. Where does this hair go? Darling, let's put that over. How cute is this doll? Little clicking knees that I don't push too hard. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, she's thinner than a Kinder, I think. I have to put her next to a Kinder and see. But she has her shoes and everything. Their shoes are rubbery and they fit tight and right. So most of these dolls, when you look at them used to buy, do have their shoes. I want to point out, Darren made her the cute little stand. I didn't know she came with one. But I really like that. Isn't that cool? So this is my new Little Big Eye girl, and I hope to sew for her. Of course, I don't know when. My schedule is very full through, well, March. So this spring, maybe we'll bring her out and do some sewing. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.